In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WooCommerce for free. WooCommerce is a powerful tool that can help you build an online store efficiently and effectively. And the best part? You don't have to spend a dime to get started using some solid features it offers. So, let's dive right in. To begin using WooCommerce, the first thing you need to do is install the WooCommerce plugin directly from WordPress. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, and on the left-hand side, you'll see an option labeled Plugins. Click on it, and then choose Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type in WooCommerce. Once you've found it, you'll see an option to Install Now. Click that, and once the installation is complete, hit Activate. This will get the plugin up and running on your website. With the plugin installed and activated, WooCommerce provides a setup wizard that is designed to simplify the process of getting your store off the ground. It will ask for your store's basic details, such as the location, currency, and what sorts of products you'll be selling. Go ahead and fill those out. Next, it's time to set up your payment methods. WooCommerce supports various options, including PayPal, which is always a solid choice for online transactions, cash on delivery if you're operating locally, and bank transfers as well. Choose whichever methods suit your business needs best. It's important to remember that offering more than one payment option can be beneficial for your customers, as it provides them with the flexibility to pay in their preferred way. Once payments are sorted, you'll move on to configuring shipping options. The setup wizard will guide you through establishing shipping zones and methods. This might include flat rate shipping, free shipping, or even local delivery. Tailor these settings to suit your business model and customer expectations. With shipping configured, you can move on to adding products. WooCommerce allows you to manage a variety of products, whether they are simple, like one-off items, or variable, like clothing items that come in different sizes and colors. You can add details like price, images, and descriptions easily, and keep everything organized. One of the great things about WooCommerce is the range of features it offers for free. Not only can you manage products effectively, but you also get basic inventory control to ensure you're never overselling. The plugin supports several free payment gateways, including popular ones like PayPal and Stripe. For those looking to offer promotions, there are built-in tools for creating coupons and discounts. WooCommerce also handles customer emails, sending out order confirmations and updates automatically. Plus, you'll have access to reports and analytics to understand your store's performance better. So there you have it, a comprehensive groundwork for using WooCommerce for free. By following these steps, you'll have a functional online store ready to start selling. Thanks for watching, and happy selling with WooCommerce.